dahil hindi babae. Arels na nga tayo. Sinungaling. Tara. Sino ka ba? Ano mo pinagsasabi niya, kuya nito? Hindi ka namin kilala. Ano ba pinagsasabi niyo? Ako to si Dane, kuya niyo. Sige nga, magbigay ka ng isang bagay tungkol sa akin. Grade 6 na, magaling ka sumayaw. Si Teron Ruiz, nagating Angela. Kuya, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ba't ka nagkaganyan? Alam mo ba yung ginawa natin ng araw sa lab? Oo naman. Baka yun yung pwedeng makatulong sa kuya mo. Paano kaya yun? Angela, try kaya natin kung pag-nakikinig ng dalawa. Sakit ang tiyan ko! Ano, okay na? Hindi pa. Ang sakit ang tiyan ko. Okay na ba? Hindi pa. Ito na talaga, last na to. Try na. Pag hindi yan tumalab, wala na tayong magagawa. Yan, okay na!
So many different flavors, so many shapes and sizes. You come in with me and you going where I am. No surprises, I put it all on the table for you. Nothing's too taboo, I'm ready, willing, and able
There's a
for
lot of
you.
pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one. I'm trying to find a shorty to hold me down. They say to get to New York, girl, then you gotta have a lot of class. And I heard ain't nothing like a Cali girl, but you better have a lot of cash. And I know ain't nothing like them A-Town girls, cause they know how to show you love. And no matter where I go, I gotta let them know that this song here is about you. Let's go! See, I done been around the world to places you would not believe. Seeing all those pretty girls, I'm wishing you were there with me. The simple way you smile, girl, tells me all I need to know. You can be my one and only.